Today we're tying a double figure eight knot, joining two ropes. This is one of the most important climbing knots you'll need to know. It's used to attach climbers to their primary rope. Go ahead and tie a single figure eight. It looks like this. It's basically an overhand knot that goes around one more time. If you're tying into a harness without a carabiner, and so retying the double figure eight more often, or joining two ropes, this is an especially strong and safe knot. It's the standard basically for those purposes. When you go through with the second rope, try to follow the first rope consistently on the same side so that the knot lays flat. A double figure eight that lays flat will be easier to undo later, especially if it's had heavy loads on it for any amount of time. It should look like this. Go ahead and pause the video right here if you want to take a closer look or a longer look. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there are any other knots you'd like to see, and make sure to click like and subscribe. Cheers.